Hey, this is Marco, and I'm going to show you how to generate AI images completely for free. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So you can do this on your desktop or your laptop, MacBook or whatever. And as you know, there are a lot of different sites that allow you to do that. But I found this one, pixart.com. You basically come here, and here I will just type in whatever. So for example, cake on top of a castle, for example. And then you want to click quickly generate one image. Oh yeah, because I already generated one, I can generate again, I think, because you can only do one a day or not. Okay, the text is here, generate images. Yeah, so basically you have one a day, or you need to create an account with them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.